Cryptocurrency is crashing. I'm gonna lose all of my money. The world is doomed. It's over for us. And while this could be true, I personally just don't think it's the case. I'm gonna go over a couple reasons with you guys right now on why things are looking down. I'm sure if you open your Coinbase today, you're not very excited at the numbers you're seeing. But let's talk about it. Fortune favors the educated. So let's talk about why cryptocurrency is crashing instead of just getting mad about it and tweeting about it. Let's figure it out. Let's get to the bottom of it. First and foremost, I just want to say, we've been in this position before, multiple times. I know in my time in crypto especially, there have been two very big bear markets that I've been a part of. And I can tell you that both times, I heavily regretted how I acted during those bear markets. Third time's a charm. So, the total market cap of crypto has hit a 10-month low of $1.6 trillion. That's such a crazy statement because on one hand, a 10-month low sucks. That's the worst thing ever. We don't want any lows ever. But a $1.6 trillion industry is not one that's going to go away very easily. Okay, so the Federal Reserve has just raised interest rates yet again. They've continued to do it over the last couple months in order to combat inflation. It is what it is. But what normally comes with higher interest rates is a slump in the stock market, which is exactly what we've seen. And if you're familiar, crypto has about a 90% correlation, especially the top ones, the Bitcoins, the Ethereums, the main market drivers, have about a 90% correlation with the NASDAQ. So generally, when the stock market goes down, crypto's going to follow, and higher interest rates are causing that to happen. So that's reason number one. Number two, a big driver of that Bitcoin price last year and crypto in general were institutions getting into it. The Teslas, the Microsofts, the Apple, like the big companies investing their funds into crypto. That was huge. Not that companies aren't investing in crypto now, but it's going to happen in the form of a cycle generally. These companies put their money into stuff like Bitcoin in hopes that they make money that they can take out later. And this is them taking their profits. In fact, we've seen 4 weeks in a row of institutional crypto fund outflow, meaning we have seen 4 weeks straight of these massive companies taking their massive investments out of crypto to take the profits that they made. While that's not great for our crypto prices right now, lower prices also incentivize companies to come in and invest in these things. Again, it's a cycle. Companies will come in, they'll make their money, and they'll get out, and new companies will come in, they'll make their money, it's just how it's gonna work. Another big thing going on, COVID-19 was horrible for the economy. Obviously, it sucked the life out of a lot of businesses. Things are returning back to normal for a lot of these businesses. Production is normal, profits are normal. So what a lot of companies and investors are doing is putting their money back into traditional stocks a little bit because these companies are making a recovery. At the end of the day, the stock market has been around much longer. It is much safer than crypto. So when it comes to managing the finances of a Fortune 500 company, you might want to keep your job, and a lot of these people are going to stick to the safer route of stocks for a little bit until crypto evens back out or is on an upswing again. And finally, fellas, we do this all the time. In fact, over the last decade, there have been 4 very distinct bear bull cycles, meaning we will see a very strong uptick, it'll fall down, it'll sit there for about a year or two, and then it'll fly back up. If history repeats itself, this bear market will last into roughly the middle of 2023. Now, that's not fun to hear, and that's not to say that there aren't going to be up days. Things aren't going to just fall forever, and I don't think it'll be as dramatic as other bear markets have been. But what this does offer to investors is a great opportunity to get in while prices are low and win on the next bull market. Nobody in crypto has ever won while investing at the top. It's just not how it goes, right? You invest while other people are leaving so that when those people come back, you win. So everyone needs to stop freaking out, right? Get off of Twitter, quit reading what everybody has to say on Twitter. All the crypto influencers, all the crypto YouTubers who are freaking out and making a big deal, who just want their views, need to calm down. You guys, everyone chill out. And while you're chilling out, why don't you go take a scroll through TikTok, right? Just go watch some videos, go watch some content to ease your mind. While you're there, you could follow OnlyCryptos on TikTok. I heard they're a pretty cool account. They just broke 2,000 followers, uploading like 4 times a day. It's been awesome, growing a sick little community over there. It's just what I heard. By the way, that account, that's me. But I do want to hear feedback. Feel free to leave some comments. Tell me what you think about the current state of crypto. I want to know where you're at with it because maybe I'm totally wrong. I'm just a guy. Personally, I'm just going to put every last dollar I've ever made into Dogecoin and just hope for the best. I think that's the best way to do it.